It's very sleek, it's very nice, white with a nice Visa logo, with a nice Chime logo. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing my new Chime debit card for you guys to see, so stay tuned. So I recently signed up to Chime's checkings and savings accounts as part of my 5 best banks for your savings video that you should check out right here. So I'm actually very excited to be unboxing this debit card with you guys today because I've been looking forward to transferring my checkings account from a physical bank to an online bank for a very long time now. I feel like online banks can provide me so many more benefits than physical banks because they don't have to spend so much extra money on physical tellers and branches. Not only do physical banks have so many unnecessary fees, but they also have a much lower APY rate for holding your money there. And like I mentioned before in this channel, physical banks have too many overhead costs that then gets translated to us as consumers. Since online banks don't have to spend their money on physical branches or tellers or ATMs, they have so much more money to give us as consumers with high APY rates, no fees, and many other benefits. Now that of course makes it the one downside of online banks is that there is no physical branches to go to and speak with a teller. If you prefer to go to physical branches and interact with tellers and ATMs, then this Chime bank is not the right fit for you. But over the past few years, every single aspect of our everyday lives have been moved to online anyway, so I'm pretty much used to having online interactions on a daily basis. With Chime Bank, I'll be able to do all of my interactions online so that I don't have to travel to the bank and back to do anything. Hi guys, my name is Dennis, and in this channel I talk about personal finance as well as my continuous journey to financial freedom. So before I open up this envelope and show you guys the card, I first want to mention a little bit more about Chime Bank and why I decided to open up a checkings and savings account with them. So Chime offers 3 specific features for their customers: a checkings account with a physical debit card like this one, a savings account that offers 0.5% APY rate, and a credit builder credit card that helps you build credit. So as of now, I only decided to open a checkings account and a savings account with Chime. I don't need a credit card as of yet, so the credit builder credit card is not going to be for me. This bank also offers no monthly or foreign transaction fees, over 60,000 fee-free ATMs worldwide, and a couple of other useful features that you might want to use and check out for yourself. The most important part in any bank is finding out if it's FDIC insured, and Chime is FDIC insured up to $250,000. Chime also has 2 great saving features that any of their customers should definitely use. The first saving feature that they offer is that they will round up your debit card purchases to the nearest dollar and save it automatically for you. And the second saving feature that they offer is that they will automatically transfer 10% of your paycheck into your Chime savings account. I think that both of these features are great because any money that gets automatically transferred into your savings account can then earn 0.5%. So now that you guys know all the reasons why I signed up to Chime, it's time for the unboxing. Here's the envelope, and I love the fact that they included the Chime logo on top over here, and plus it's all green so that you know you got a Chime envelope in your mail. All right, so let's turn it around. And the first disclaimer I'm gonna tell you guys is do not use a knife to open up an envelope, but I will right now because I have nothing else to use. So let's get to it. All right. Now the first thing you see right away is the card itself. Now of course I'm gonna blur out all the information on the bottom here, that's my personal information, but overall, as I see the card, it looks like a very nice card. It looks like a plastic card with the numbers probably gonna be on the back. And let's move on to activating it. So the activation is actually pretty simple with this card. As you guys could already see, I created a login and put in my Face ID. As soon as you put in your Face ID, you have this first button right over here that says activate your card. So I'm gonna activate the card right now. So the first thing I wanna press on is activate. And now they're asking me for the last 4 digits. Let's see what they are. All right guys, so the first thing that they ask you as soon as you press activate is the last 4 numbers of your debit card. After that, they're gonna ask you for the expiration date and the CVC code, like a normal card. And then it brings you to this page right here where you can actually add it to your Apple Wallet. Oh nice, so as soon as you activate the card, I actually got an email from Chime saying that the card is activated and for me to set up a direct deposit. So now that the card is activated, I actually want to remove this sticker with you guys right now. Let's try this out right now. Okay. Oh, that was satisfying. I don't know about you guys, but I love this kind of stuff. All right, so we have Chime, the logo right here with a pretty sleek design. I like the way this looks. And my name and all the details are in the back, so I really appreciate that because it allows us to do this kind of unboxing for you guys. All right, so now I want to explore the app a little with you guys just to let you know what it looks like after you activated the account. So you have the checkings account over here, you have the credit builder account over here, and the saving account over here. Obviously everything is $0 for me right now because I haven't deposited anything yet, but overall the design looks so nice. You could easily add your money with Chime right there, and when you scroll down you can also see your FICO score. And actually there's this feature right here that actually caught my attention. It's called Spot Me. Now you have to sign up separately for this feature, but it actually allows you to overdraft up to $20 with no fees. So now moving on to the next tab, we actually have the Move Money tab. I'm actually gonna move this card right here. It's gonna look better right here. All right, so right here, you can move our direct deposit right into the account. We can transfer it from other banks. We can actually even do a mobile check deposit, which I haven't really seen in an online bank account yet. And we can deposit cash. Let me actually click on that one. I don't know what this one is about. Oh, okay, so since Chime has a lot of fee-free ATMs worldwide, we're actually able to deposit our cash with using these ATMs, so that's nice. The next thing we have is to transfer fund. We can actually pay anyone in our contact list. Like when you press this button right here, it brings you to your contact list. So that's pretty cool. And this is actually a nice feature right here that they added, is a mail a check feature. So right here, you can actually mail a check to one of your payees. So for example, like I have to pay my maintenance and they only accept checks. So I can actually mail the check automatically. And I didn't know online banks do this. I thought only physical banks do this, so that's good to know. Let's scroll back up and go actually back to the home page. So the next thing I actually wanted to visit with you guys is the settings tab. Let's press that right now. So the first thing they show is a lot of personal information over there at the top. But right here, you can actually set up the direct deposit, same thing that we saw in the other one. But down here, you can change a lot of different things. You can change your PIN, you can view your card, you can actually block your international transactions or turn them back on. You can replace your card if it's stolen. And all the way at the bottom of the settings options, we have a balance alerts, we have transaction alerts, we have updates and exclusives. But the most important thing that I mentioned in the beginning of this video is actually the 10% that it allows you to transfer into your savings account from your direct deposit, or the roundup to the nearest dollar purchases that again gets transferred into the savings account so that you can earn the 0.5% APY rate. And right here at the bottom, you can actually view your tax documents, which is always very handy when it comes to the tax season. But overall, guys, I really like the way this card looks. It's very sleek, it's very nice, white with a nice Visa logo, with a nice Chime logo. And like I mentioned before, it actually has all the information on the back. Now that we unboxed this card, let me know what you think about the design of the card down in the comments below. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you can help this video spread to more people. Thank you. Overall, I like that Chime has a very sleek interface and is very user-friendly. Since Chime is relatively new, I like the fact that they keep sending me emails that offer me different things like a chance to win $10,000 once I sign up with direct deposit, and a couple of other emails that teach me different ways to deposit my check into my account. If you're also interested to sign up with Chime, I'll leave a link down below in the video description where you can earn a $100 bonus after you set up your direct deposit of $200 or more. If you think that you found this bank interesting, don't forget to share this video with a friend or relative that could be potentially losing money to inflation. Let me know in the comments down below if you're planning on signing up to this bank, and I'll make sure to reply to you right away. You can also check out this video right here where I talk about the 5 best bank accounts for your savings in 2022. Spoiler alert, one of them is Chime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to chime in on the next one. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing my new Chime debit card. Chime debit card, Chime debit card, Chime debit, my new Chime. Cut!